In this video, you will learn how to see passwords saved in Google Chrome. If you use Google Chrome to log into websites, the browser can save your passwords to make future logins easier. You can access these saved passwords anytime. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left sidebar, choose Autofill and Passwords. Next, click on Google Password Manager. A new tab will open showing a list of websites where Chrome has saved your login information. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the website you need. To view a saved password, click on the eye icon next to the account. Chrome will ask you to verify your identity by entering your computer's password or using your fingerprint if available. After verification, the hidden password will become visible. If you want to copy the password, click on the three-dot icon next to the account and select Copy Password. To delete saved passwords, click on the three-dot icon and choose Delete. This is how you can access, copy, and manage passwords saved in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.